नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम जीवन डॉक्टर रूपेश अमलिकार, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ क्रिया शारीर, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today we will discuss the topic Agni. Solar energy is the source of any kind of conversion in the living beings. As per Lok Purush Siddhant, Agni in the individual represents Sun in the universe. Agni is the invariable agent in the process of Pak, that is, digestion and transformation. Jatar Agni is considered to be cause of life, complexion, strength, health, nourishment, luster, oj, tej and prana. Next is types of Agni. Agni has been divided into 13 types according to the function and site of action. These are 1 Jataragni, 5 Bhutagni and 7 Dhattvagni. Jataragni converts Ahar Dravya into Ahar Ras, and then with the help of Dhattvagni and Bhutagni the Poshak Ansh is made available to the body. Jataragni has been considered prime among all Agnis. The functioning of other Agnis, that is Dhattvagni and Bhutagni, are dependent upon the strength of Jataragni. Jataragni is classified into four categories according to its performance of digestion in the human being, namely Samagni, Vishamagni, Tikshnagni, and Mandagni. Next is factors influencing the Jataragni. Our body is constituted by Dosha Dhatu and Mal. Vat, Pitta and Kapha are the three doshas. Ras, Rakta, Mans, Med, Asti, Majja and Shukra are seven dhatus, and Purish, Mutra and Swed are the three malas. Vikriti in this Dravya Sangraha must be considered for any alteration in Sharir Kriya. Let's start with Agni and Dosh. Agni and Vat Dosh. Pran, Apan and Saman Vayu, when functioning properly at their sites, they increase the intensity of Agni. Agni Vaishamya is the lakshan of Vata Shaya. Agni and Pitta. Agni in Sharir resides in Pitta. Pachak Pitta performs action like Agni and is known by the synonyms Kaya Agni. This type of Pitta located in Grahani digest the food and separate it into Sar and Kitta Bhag. Manda Agni is the lakshan of Pitta Shaya. Agni and Kapha. Kledak Kapha is present in Amashay. Its Prakrit karma is Anna Sangat Kledanath, that is, it liquefies the hard mass of food. Properly moistened food mixes with Pachak Pitta and undergoes digestion properly. Agni Sadan or Agni Mandya is one of the lakshan of Kapha Vriddhi. This Agni Mandya result because of increase in Apya Gun of Kledak Kapha, which counters the intensity of Pachak Pitta. Also, Manda Guru Snigdha Sthir Gun of Kapha weakens Agni Bal and leads to Agni Mandya. Relation between Agni and Dhatu. Agni present in its own place has a portion of itself in the Dhatus which is known as Dhattvagni. Because of identical function, Dhattvagni cooks the nutrients material prepared by the Jathar Agni and transform it as to become suitable to the Dhatu. If the preceding Dhatu undergoes either Vriddhi or Kshay by the effect of Agni, the succeeding Dhatu will also undergo the similar changes respectively. Next, relation between Agni and Mal. First, Agni and Purush. Agni Dharnam is the important function of Purish. Ahar Ras which reaches Pakvashay is dehydrated and converted into lumps by Agni. Similarly, Purush is dehydrated in Pakvashay with the help of Agni. Purish in normal state supports the body and maintains Agni. Agni and Mutra. Kled Vahanam is the important function of Mutra. Excess Kled diminishes Agni by countering the Tej gun of Agni by its Apya gun. Mutra maintains normal Agni by eliminating excess Kled from body. Agni and Swed. Kled Vidruti is the function of Swed. Swed retains Kled. This maintains normal temperature of body by regulating Agni located in skin, that is Brajak Pitta. Parts of Jataragni maintaining proper proportion of the Panchabhotik components is called Bhutagni. Bhutagni is responsible for digestion of respective Mahabhut from the ingested Ahar. Next Agni is Dhatva Agni. Dhatva Agni is the part of Agni existing in Dhatu. Food digested by Agni is again acted upon by Dhatva Agni and separated into Sar, which is actually nourishes concerned dhatu, and Kitta, which is not useful for that dhatu. Table shows Sapta Dhatu Agni and Utpatti of Dhatu. So here we end the topic Agni, in which we studied importance of Agni, types of Agni, and relation of Agni with Dosh, Dhatu and Mal. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.